All right, using my pour over coffee pot, I'm using 12 ounces of water and 2.5 scoops of included spoon of coffee grounds. I've got a Papua New Guinea Javalia that's really good. All right, so comes with I got the metal little filter, reusable filter. It does not come, some posters had said it comes with an extra one. It does not. It comes with the filter right there, the carafe, a spoon. They're calling this a lid for some reason, but it doesn't fit. And it does come with instructions. So when you get your pot, this is all crammed in the very, very bottom down here. So it is there. It took me a moment to find it when I first got it. I'm gonna remove this real quick. And I want to show you this lid, they're calling it. So it says when you get done brewing to put the lid on. This does not fit securely in there. It just barely kind of wobbles, on top, unless you push it down in there, which I do not want to do because I did read some people posting how the glass is fragile. So I'm not going to force that in there. So, you can let it sit on top, I guess, if you're not going to drink your cup right away, but I've got a big coffee cup, so I won't be letting my coffee sit around. All right, so from what I read, and I've never had one of these before. All right, so I've got my water ready to go, and it says to go in a small circular pattern. And then let it go down, let it breathe down. Looking good, it's like a science experiment. Smells really good. Just give it a few seconds and then repeat until all the water's in. Again, good things take time, so do not just dump it in there. Oh, that's pretty. It's like magic happening. Okay. Nice. Some people are saying you can use one of those conical filters. I guess you could, but I'm just doing as is with the reusable filter. Again, wash everything in hot soapy water before first use, of course. That is smelling so good. Not a cup of coffee you want to make when you're in a rush, obviously. It smells so good. Brewing very nicely. And it does say be sure to, of course, put it on a hot surface or hot pad. You don't want that bare hot coffee on your countertop. Nice steam going. A little slow, but again, good things take time. It looks good. It's got a nice cork on it. It is easy to remove. Just be gentle, of course. Just pull back on the little knob there. And loosens and it comes right off. It's very comfortable, very sturdy cork. It's real firm. Okay, next round. Again, I'm using 12 ounces of water and 2.5 of the included scoops of my coffee. My coffee cup is about a 16-ounce coffee cup. I want to have enough room to have the milk on top whenever I pour it in. So, looks good. Smells amazing. Now I did buy pre-ground coffee. Again, here's what I'm using. Amazon, of course, also. So you kind of want to get, if you have a coffee maker or a coffee grinder, mine is in storage. Then yeah, maybe make the grounds just a tiny bit larger. If that's what you prefer. I'm fine. I'm more than happy to wait for a delicious cup of coffee. So it's been about 6 minutes now. Again, not something that is to be rushed at all. So almost got all my water in. And I did have my water in. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna lift up on this a little bit. Let's see why it takes so long. Again, this is a fine ground, so it will take a little longer. Medium ground might work a little better, but again, this is already pre-ground, so. But all in all, I'm gonna let this just sift on through, and when it's completely, brewed out, just take your little basket, dump the grounds, and wash it soap in hot water. Yeah, all in all, it works really, really good. 2 thumbs up. Highly recommend. Will definitely purchase again.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm very excited to share with you my first time using a coffee drip. I usually use the presser, but I decided to try something new. My daughter uses the coffee presser, and my son-in-law likes the drip. Don't know the difference. I normally would use a coffee maker, but since I'm the only one now that drinks coffee in the house, I tend to waste less coffee this way and have the perfect cup all the time. So here we go. So the instruction says to put 2 scoops of coffee for 4 cups. So I put 1 already, I'm putting 2, and to pour the hot water slowly. Smells so good. Okay, and wait. It's coming down, so let's just see until the final product comes. So let's see. Looks great. So you remove, still dripping. Don't know, maybe I'll put a little more water. Let's see. Okay. And waiting. And there it goes. That's it. So now, stop dripping. Kind of looks light. I don't know if I'm gonna like this idea, but I mean, we'll see. Then you put the little lid that comes with it, so you don't drip coffee anywhere. I'm trying to do this with 1 hand. There we go. So that's it for that. And now I will pour. It's very hot. That's one thing. I love hot coffee. So I don't use sugar. I use a little bit of honey. Pouring. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect cup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little cream. There. And I like to heat up my cream as well. And let's give it a turn. Looks amazing. So that's my cup of coffee for today. Have a great day, everybody. I'll let you know the results by the end of the day if it made a difference on the caffeine. Bye-bye.